How to effectively teach a large classroom. Handling a large classroom is a task that many teachers must face eventually, so it is important to be able to know how to effectively instruct a class that is a size above average. A teacher must work on her performance and work on how to make lessons constructive with a big crowd in mind. Without these two objectives done successfully, the teacher risks being misunderstood and the students won't be learning adequately. Body language. A teacher's ability to perform is critical. Eye contact, voice, and gestures are all needed to get a large class involved. Eye contact can go a long way, reaching all corners and parts of a classroom to make sure pupils feel involved and behaved. Voice needs to be clear and loud enough to be heard from the back of the class so that there isn't inequality in comprehension. Guiding gestures can keep students from being distracted in a vast crowd as well. Walking around is key. To be visible allows more access to the teacher for possible questions and to feel that they are being held accountable. Students are much more likely to be focused if the teacher is within their line of sight, and will most likely avoid distractions such as chatting with peers or going on their telephones. Teaching techniques. With lessons, there are quite a few methods to keep students participating and flourishing in their studies. Using the class's impressive numbers to one's advantage is helpful, making discussions more colorful and exciting in group exercises. Depending on just how big a class might be, pairing might be optimal or group work might be best. With group work, a teacher can select a leader amongst them to represent that group. With a group leader, this can keep each group's ideas more concise and give a lesson more class time. Using worksheets is good for making sure every student has a chance to participate in a lesson, keeping them accountable for work and for checking their individual progress. Worksheets can also be used to keep students who finish faster than their many colleagues, to make sure everyone is staying active and studying. Another activity to do within the study phase is to do the drilling. With numerous students, doing choral drilling can be most fruitful. This encourages participation and is an effective use of class size. It can also help students who are behind catch up with the others. Establishing rapport. When a teacher has an abundant number of pupils, it's also essential to keep a good rapport with everyone. Activities such as warmers can keep students motivated and boost morale. By doing these amusing and communicative activities, students can get inspired to learn. A few examples would be tongue twisters, Pictionary, hangman, and memory games. Although these games can be useful for rapport, it's a smart idea to keep them short to avoid using up too much time and avoiding serious study. If a teacher can accommodate all of these methods into practice, they are much more likely to ensure a positive and worthwhile English learning experience. Are you ready to teach English to ESL students? Speak with an ITTT advisor today to put together your personal plan for teaching English abroad. Send us an email or call us toll-free at 1-800-490-0531 to speak with an ITTT advisor today.